Hi! Welcome to Native English Vibes, where I share simple tips to help you improve your English language.
What is this action called? Grouting. The worker is grouting the floor joints. What is this action called? Welding. The welder is welding the steel frame. What is this action called? Plastering. The mason is plastering the wall. What is this action called? Demolishing. They are demolishing the old building. What is this action called? Pouring. He is pouring concrete into the pit. What is this action called? Tiling. She is tiling the bathroom floor. What is this action called? Snapping. She is snapping the chocolate into two pieces. What is this action called? A deadheading. She is deadheading the flour. What is this action called? Fluffing. She is fluffing the pillow. What is this action called? Deboning. She is deboning the fish carefully. What is this action called? Shelling. She is shelling peas for cooking. What is this action called? Dangling. Her legs are dangling from the chair. What is this action called? Gnawing. The dog is gnawing the bone. What is this action called? Jolting. The bus was jolting on the bumpy road. What is this action called? Peeking. She is peeking through the door. What is this action called? Rattling. The window is rattling in the wind. What is this action called? Mopping. She's mopping the floor. What is this action called? Crumpling. She's crumpling the paper. What is this action called? Scooping. She is scooping food off the plate. What is this action called? Deveining. He is deveining the prawns. What is this action called? Deseeding. She is deseeding the papaya. What is this action called? Slitting. She is slitting the chili lengthwise. What is this action called? Slicing. She is slicing the dragon fruit into rounds. What is this action called? Blending. He is blending the food into a smooth paste. Thanks for watching.